Hello guys, welcome back to TS Tech Talks tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to share a reaction on a Facebook post. So either you posted a message or your friend had posted a message. So go ahead and open your Facebook app wherever it's located on your phone. And make sure you are actually logged in if you are not yet logged in. So let me go ahead and pause this video to log in. So we are currently logged in. Since it's my phone, I'm going to go ahead and save it and wait for it to show your timeline. It's going to take a while. So you can either leave that on or off. So once it's open, all you need to do is to scroll down to a particular message. Now to make a reaction to this particular message, all you need to do is to give a like, which is normal. But then you would want to give more other reaction to this message, like giving it a love. So all you need to do is to click and hold on that particular icon, and it's going to show you different options. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this love option, and you can notice I already gave it love. So this is how to give a reaction to a post on your Facebook, which is actually easy. So hopefully you guys understand this video. Just please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and leave a comment below if you have a question, and if you have any request for any video, please leave your comment below. See you some other time.